Hi friends, today I am going to explain the chapter Atomic Structure and subtopic Discovery of Proton. Discovery of proton. An atom is electrically neutral. Therefore, if the atom contains negatively charged particles, it must contain positively charged particles also. The search for those positively charged particles lead to some experiments by the German scientist Egon Goldstein. In 1886, Goldstein worked with a modified discharge tube provided with a perforated cathode. When a large electric field was applied between the electrodes, he observed not only the electrons emitted by the cathode but also some luminous rays in the region behind the cathode. These rays were called canal rays or positive rays as they contained positively charged particles. The positively charged particles were later called protons. Here we understand about that what is the charge of proton. We will understand that one. The proton is a positively charged particle. This is a discharge tube. Here is also mentioned two terminal anode and cathode. Perforated cathode means the small holes present in the cathode. So that's seen very clearly in the picture. Next one, the properties of proton. There are three properties given here. The first property, a proton is a positively charged particle. It has a positive charge equal in magnitude to that of an electron. The mass of proton is equal to that of hydrogen, that is 1.672 into 10 raised to minus 27 kg. The Thomson model of atom. Next one, Thomson model of the atom. Dalton's atomic theory suggested that the atoms was indivisible and indestructible, but the discovery of two fundamental particles, electron and protons, inside the atom lead to the failure of this aspect of the theory. It was considered necessary to know how the electrons and protons are arranged within an atom. J.J. Thomson was the first to propose a model for inner structure of an atom to explain the arrangement of protons and electrons in the atom. Thomson proposed the plum pudding model of the atom. Plum pudding model of the atom in 1904. According to this model, the atom is a sphere of positive charges and the electrons are spread out inside it like a plums in a spherical pudding. That's given the picture here. So also seen that positive and negative charged particle present inside the atom. The atom has an equal number of positive charges and negative charges. So the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Here the number of positive charges and the number of negative charge both are same, means both are equal. That's why the atom is electrically neutral. The plum pudding model was later found to be incorrect when Rutherford proposed his atomic model. Afterwards, the one famous scientist Rutherford proposed his atomic model. Rutherford will explain the lots of information about that model, atomic model. Rutherford explained well about the model of atom. This model of atom will explain the next class. Bye. Thank you.